John, you got more laborers on a job site than we got carpenters. What's the problem?
The problem is the carpenters are carrying sheetrock and materials. So we ain't getting what we expected to be getting.
Minimally expected.
Have Mazzarone hire more laborers off the books.
Nobody's talking to you.
All right, Jesus.
$65.35.
Salud.
Salud.
Johnny, you explain the other thing I want to talk about.
Sure. Tony, it's come to our attention you bought property around Frelinghuysen Avenue and turned it in a week.
So?
You did it with inside knowledge from Ron Zellman.